Hello, welcome to Noir Reviews. What we have here is a folding pocket knife from GearBest. As you can see, quite small. It's not quite sharp. I bought it for €3. It's quite useful. Sharp enough to cut small things inside the house, but not an outdoors knife. As it says here, it says outdoor folding mini pocket knife with a bottle opener. But if you want to use it outdoors, you have to sharpen it because it's quite dull. It's only for everyday use, cutting boxes or something like that. But still, quite great purchase for only €3. Quite sturdy construction, all metal and nothing loose. It clicks quite well, as you can hear, and stays like that. I highly recommend it. You can find the link below this video if you want to purchase this item. And as always, you can like and subscribe to my reviews channel for more videos. Thank you.
Mr. Undertaker, I'm here to command a